my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, workbench ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, yesterday's last concept was not null, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Please confirm once again whether my screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, ನಾನು 40 ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Yes, sir, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ.
Okay. Okay, before again dealing with this the same database, the first query we need to execute, which one that? It is
Use tech
use
table.
tech database, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now, okay. See, let us see what is the use of primary key. Okay.
Okay.
There is a concept in MySQL, primary key constraints. Okay, there is a concept which is primary key constraints. Okay, what do you mean by constraints, Samata? Constraints means restrictions. Okay, restrictions,
Okay.
it is control, some restrictions are there. Okay, see some conditions. See, in primary key there are some restrictions. What it means, see, the primary key must contain, okay, must contain unique values. Okay, unique values. Primary key must contain unique
Unique
values.
values.
Okay, the second condition is primary key you can write down these points. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, primary key cannot contain, okay, cannot contain null values. Okay, null values. The third point is primary key uniquely identifies okay, identifies each record in a table. Files each record in a table. Okay, each record in a table. After that, remember this,
Yes,
a
sir.
table can contain only one primary key.
Okay.
Okay, a table can contain only one primary key. Okay, this is all about primary key constraints. Primary key must contain unique values. Primary key cannot contain null values. Primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. A table can contain only one primary key. Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, let us now try to create primary key in a table. Okay, in a
Okay.
table. Now what you do, create, okay, create table. Okay, create table. Okay, create table which is employee 3. Already we have created employee and employee
Yeah.
1. Let us make it employee 2. Okay,
Okay.
not employee 3, make it employee 2. Okay, employee 2. Here let us insert some data, make it emp id. Okay, emp id which is of integer type
Yes.
and which is not null. There is one condition, right?
Yes,
Primary
sir.
key, okay, primary key cannot contain the null values, the second
Yes.
point. Okay, so that is the reason I am making it not null. Okay, did you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that, first name. Okay, it is first name. Okay, first name let us
What?
make this, yeah, wait, it is first name, it is var and char. Let us give some limit as 255. Again let us give the last name which is var char. Again let us give some range as 255. Okay, after that, okay, it is emp zone which is var char which is of type 255. Okay, let us make our employee id as primary key. Okay, it is primary key which is emp id. Okay, emp id. Did you understood so far here?
Yes.
till,
Yes, sir.
till here did you understood? Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
what I'll do means I'll select this entire thing. Okay, I will execute this. Okay, see, it created successfully. Okay, it
Yes,
created
sir.
the table employee 2 successfully. Now ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, let us describe our table. DESC, it is employee
Employee.
3 or 2, it
2.
is 2, right?
2.
Yeah, it is 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is 2. Okay, see, this is our table we have created. Can you see the key as primary key here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, if we are trying to insert any duplicate data, it will throw error.
Okay.
Okay, let us try that. Okay, let me try that. Insert into, okay, insert into employee. Okay, employee 3, insert into employee 3. Let us try to insert directly here. Okay, values, let me give 1 comma, let us give the first name as Virat. Okay, Virat, let us give the last name as Kohli. Okay, Kohli, and let us give the employee zone as North. Okay, employee zone as North. Now semicolon. I'll try to execute this part of the code. Okay, let us see. See, it is table tech d employee 3 does not exist ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Employee 3, sorry, it is employee
It's
2.
employee 2.
Yeah, I'm doing this mistake.
Okay.
Okay, see, can you see this?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now let us see our table. Select
Star.
from, it
Employee
is
2.
employee 2. Yes, it is employee 2. Okay, now see, this is our table what we have
Yes.
created. Okay, now let us insert some duplicate data. See, primary key must contain the unique values, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, unique values. See, we have made our employee id as primary key. Let us try to insert the duplicate employee id. Okay, one more time for the another employee.
Okay.
Okay, what I'll do, okay, you can see here, insert into employee, it is 2 values. Okay, values, let me make it 1 only. Okay, let us make here some different name. Rohit Sharma. Okay, it is Rohit comma, okay, again it is Sharma, again comma, he is from south.
South.
He is from south. Okay, south. Okay, now let me insert this. Okay, see, it is throwing error. The error is duplicate
Employee.
entry. Okay, duplicate entry means I am trying to insert the same employee id for
One
even
more.
for the second employee, where I have made the employee id as primary key. It won't accept the duplicate data. Okay, it has to be unique. Did you got what is the use of this primary key?
Yes, sir.
Because I need to identify the each row, right? I need to access the each row, at least one record, one column, one field has to be unique, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
I can access the each and every record in the table. Okay,
Yes.
now see, yeah, now see, you can see here the output, one row affected. Okay, if I now run this query, see, this is my table. Did you got
Yes, sir.
use case of primary key? Now what we can do is, let us go with foreign key. Okay, foreign key constraints. I'll explain this. What is the use case of foreign key constraint? Okay, let me comment it. See, what is the mean of this double dash? What is the mean
Uh,
of this double dash? Means it is a single
Single
line
line
command.
command.
Yeah, it is single line command. See here. Now let us study about foreign key constraint. It is foreign. Okay, foreign key constraint. Okay, constraint. Foreign key constraints. Okay. Samat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, foreign key constraints. Okay, you can write down this point. Foreign key. Okay. Foreign key. Foreign key is a field. Okay. Is a field in one table. Is a field in one table. Is a field in one table. Referring. Okay. Referring to the primary key in another table. Okay, foreign key is a field in one table referring to the primary key in another table. I will explain this, don't worry. Okay, I will in detail I will explain this, what is the use case of this foreign key.
Okay,
See,
sir.
as of now, remember, foreign key is a field in a table. It is a field in a table means it is one of the column. It is like,
Okay.
consider like employee ID. Foreign key is a field
Field
in a
in
table.
table.
In a field is nothing but one of the column.
Okay.
Field in a table. Field in table, referring to, okay, field in one table. Field in one table, referring to the primary key in the another table. Okay, now see, how can I explain this means, suppose, consider there are two tables. There
Okay.
are two tables. One is the employee table, other one is the department table. Okay,
Sir.
consider there are two tables. Okay, consider there are two tables. Okay, two tables. One is the employee table. Okay, other one is the department table. In employee table, okay, consider this is the employee table. See, in employee table, what I will do, see, in employee table, this is the employee table, right? Okay, this
Yes,
is the
sir.
employee table. In employee table, the employee ID is the primary key, right?
Yes.
Okay, we have employee ID, and also I have made this primary key.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and also this employee, I will create one more table, which is a department table.
Okay.
In department table also I will add employee ID. Okay,
Yes,
same
sir.
thing. Then whatever I have created in employee table, employee ID, I will create one field in the department table, the same as employee ID.
Okay.
Okay, but in the department table, this employee ID is the foreign key. Why foreign key means that employee ID which is in the department table, which is referring to the employee ID in the employee table.
Yes, sir.
Did you got?
Yes, sir. Yes.
It will create one reference create ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, that foreign key.
Okay.
Okay, see, we shall create one more table and you will understand even more better, and you
Sir.
can write down few more points. Okay,
Okay.
there is child table. What do you mean by child table? Means child table, the table with, okay, the table with foreign key. Okay, the
Okay.
table with foreign key. Okay, table with foreign key under which table?
Employee
Like,
table.
no, it is a table with the foreign key means,
Department.
yeah, that is the department table. Table with the foreign key. Okay, that is the
Okay.
department table. Okay, now parent table. parent table, the table with the table with the table with primary key.
Yes.
Which is the table with primary key? The employee
Employee
ID
table.
yeah, that is the employee table. See, now consider this is one of the table, this is one of the table. Yeah, create table employee to idella, this is one of the table. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is one of the table. See here in this table the primary key is the employee ID, right? Employee
Yes,
ID.
sir.
Okay, see, I will make this in the department table, I will make this employee ID as a foreign key. Okay, you
Okay.
can see here how I will make means, see, you can create this, table create table department. Okay, create table department create table department, make it, okay, here it is dept id int which is not null. Okay, not null means I am making in the department table, I am making the department id as a primary key.
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು employee ID in the employee table I have made employee ID as a primary key. In department table I am making department ID as a primary key.
Not. Yes.
A table can contain one primary key, right?
Yes, sir.
So here in order to identify uniquely I made the department ID as primary key. Okay, primary key cannot contain the null values. Now dpt department name which is of type varchar. Okay, varchar. Okay, and let us give some range. Okay, again emp id which is of type integer. Okay, here it is primary key. Which is the primary key in the department table?
Department ID.
Very good, it is dpt id. Okay, dpt id. Now again here, see here I am making the foreign key. You can focus here, it is foreign key. Which is the foreign key in the department table? It is
Employee ID.
employee id. Very good. This, see, focus here, this employee id which is the foreign key in the department table, which references, okay, which references what? References employee.
Employee
Okay,
ID.
it references employee table, employee, let us the table number 2 is employee 2. In the employee 2 it references employee id, mp id. Okay, did you got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the employee table it references emp id. Okay, where I have made this emp id as a foreign key in the department table. Okay, see, if I execute, the table department has been successfully created.
Yes.
Okay, successfully created. Now, okay, it is DSC, it is department.
Department.
Okay, department. Okay, see this emp id, you are getting the mul, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is nothing but the foreign key.
Okay.
Which is nothing but the foreign key, and we have made this department id as a primary key, right?
Yes, sir.
In the department table. Okay, means I am creating one references, I am creating one relationship between the two tables
Yes.
with the help of the employee id. Okay, now you can write down this 2 more points. Okay, 2 more points. The employee id column, the employee id column in the employee table, employee id column in the employee table, employee id column in the employee table. Okay, we are working with the employee 2, right? Employee table, simply write down employees. Employee table. Employee table is the, what is the employee ID column in the employee table? Is the,
Primary key.
yeah, very good. It is the primary key in the employee table, right?
Yes, sir.
Employee table. Okay. Again, the employee ID, the employee ID column in the department table is the,
Foreign key.
yes, is the foreign key in what? Foreign key in,
Depart-
foreign key in
Department.
department table. Department table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Department table. Did you understood about the
Yes, sir.
primary key, foreign key, and how to create the primary key?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, you can practice till here. Okay.
Okay.
From the
Okay,
next
sir.
session, we shall go with the unique constraints and the other new concepts.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can end the meeting and thank you. Thank you, Samita.
हाँ सर, थैंक यू, बाय.
Yeah. Okay.